Okay, again at this point in time we're going to go ahead, we'll use our blue seals in here and we'll install our inlet and outlet fittings. Again, take these all the way hand tight and just snug them. Don't over tighten them. If you over tighten them, you can crack the valve. And then we'll triple tape this with the thing, with the thread lube, and then we'll put that back on the back drain port. And make sure on your drain port as well, you'll notice there is a flow direction on here. There's a little arrow on here. You want to make sure that's going the right direction. So it makes a difference on which way that orifice goes in there. I've been told if you put them in backwards, they whistle. Okay, we're going to go ahead now and hook it up to our water supply and our house supply. So we've got this system plumbed into our little test station here at the shop. I did want to point out, you do want to build a bypass system. Basically, you have your inlet here, your outlet here, and as you can see, don't worry about this other plumbing because this is, you know, used for different test phases. But you want to have a bypass system in here closed at all times. That way, if you want to isolate your inlet and outlet valve, you can open this and your system can be into bypass mode. That way you can remove your system, service your system if you ever need to do that. So our valve currently is in the closed position, so that means that you do have water pressure coming up into your tank, but you have nothing going through it. So if you want to go ahead and you move it into the recirculate mode, what you're doing here is you're actually in a bypass mode. So your water's flowing through here, but not into the tank. So basically, if you want to take your system offline to chlorinate your system or whatever, you're going to go into the recirculate mode. Okay, if we move it over here to backwash. Okay, so what's going on now is the water's coming into the tank, it's going down through the D tube, and it's backflowing water through the media. And what you're doing is you're rinsing that media, lifting that media bed up and rinsing all the contaminants out. So we recommend backwashing for 10 minutes every 6 days. After you backwash, you want to go ahead and go into your rinse mode. And what that rinse mode does is that basically takes the water and it goes down through the media and up through the D tube. So this is the direction of your water flow when you are in service. But basically we recommend doing this for 6 minutes after your 10-minute backwash. Go into the filler mode. Now you're in service. This is the filter mode. You're coming in, you're going down through the media, you're up through the D tube and out your support here. So this is your house, this is when you're in service. The waste we do not use in this application. And again, if you want to close it, you can simply go to close. So that's about all I have for this system today. Hope it helps. Talk to you later.